ako ng picture one.
Overlooking.
Sweet fat or high blood pressure. Thank you.
Alam mo, baba na
Enjoy
tayo?
your ride on the Wheel of Fame.
Video. Ayos mo na
Ay, pag yan nila vlog.
Natakot ka, friend, mo. Duwag yan.
Diyan o, laglag mo sa tubig. Sakto yan.
Hi, Ben. What can you say about the tour that we had for today?
Of course, really amazing. It's really remarkable. My God, I was so amazed to the people here and to the rides. Almost special the
What is your favorite, Ben?
my festival, roof festival.
Flying Festival.
Yo,
I think Flying Festival.
I gonna call it On the Wings of Love.
Why? Are you a fan of
My God,
Jirin?
No, but I fly away.
What can you say about the view, Ben?
Hindi kami nakapag.
Kuya Brand.
Rio Grande. Ay, ikaw mamaalam ka sa pamilya mo.
Bye-bye. Ang ina niya.
Ganda tayo, happy birthday! Happy birthday,
Jomar!
Happy birthday, Jomar! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jomar! Jin, 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 jin. Happy, happy,
Grabe, ang ganda ng
happy.
view.
Shit, tumataas na. Uy, ano mo, wish mo? May birthday mo.
Sana bumaba na tayo.
Oh, umakit tumatas na kami, be!
Shit! Taas, overlooking! Wala tayo ng pinakamataas!
Oh my
We're on the
God!
top! Woo!
Ang ganda ng view! Ang sarap mag-emote! Basilio Crispin! Where are you now?
Wala, ang hirap pag dun ka na-stop no.
Nasa taas na
Sa
ba tayo
taas?
kanina?
Oo.
Uy, sarap naman. Enjoy naman, di ba? Oo, kahit...
sobra.
Puro pila! Puro pila. Space shuttle, 2 hours. Ganun. Parang, Jomar, tatanong ka?
Mamaya.
Bakit nga pala nandito? Parang parang may mali ngayong araw.
2016, I'm gonna say 2016 is the most unforgettable years in my life because imagine unexpected I came to the point
Came
that
like a wrecking ball.
I came to the point that I came here.
You came here.
I'm so
because it's
touchy.
a dream come.
Thank you to Jomar. Jomar, it's your birthday and I wanna greet you a happy birthday. Stay healthy, don't be near in the age, okay? Always clean monthly, okay? How monthly? I love you, friend. I love you.
Kuya Amor!
Babalik tayo dito pag may kotse na ako ha. Pag umonta na ako, babalik ako dito. Treat ko lahat.
Wish for your success, Indel!
Kasi wag tayo malalaglag kasi hindi pa ako mipirma ng contract.
Nakakatakot.
Yo, hindi ako pa talaga natakot.
Ito na, nasa tayo.
Okay mo tapos nasan yan si mga doon.
Uwi na sila.
Hindi pa kami uwi. Last stop. Wala, not feeling well. Baka may absent na naman bukas
Sino?
Ay, si Jomer, not feeling well.
Isa pa! 7 times! Ha?
Gwapo yung nakapag.
Tama ba?
Para sa yung tinatawag na perfect couple. Kasi maliit yung babae, matangkad yung lalaki.
Perfect na yun.
Hindi. Hindi sila perfect. Kami lang may forever.
Nakita ko yung pinakaganda mong creation, no?
Happy birthday, Jomer! Happy Jomer!
Dito.
Babe. Oh my God! Look at that face!
Dito ako nare-relax.
You look like
The next mistake!
Oh, it's gonna be forever.
Isa pa, isa pa. Isa pa.
Hoy, ano, numerical, number 1 na mauna. Hindi kami. Anong number kami? 26 pa. 21.